What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So as I've been going through my portfolio and I've been going through the markets and news and all that stuff, I've seen that XRP has fallen a little bit. But not only has it fallen just a slight bit, it's also been kind of consistently at these low levels that I know a lot of people struggle with. And when you start to see that consistency at a low level, people get tired of it. You see gains elsewhere. I can understand exactly what the feelings are, right? I see comments where people are like, XRP just doesn't move. Like, I wish it would move. And you have to understand everything that's going on with it and why it's not moving. It's not just about the fact that it's not moving because it's dying, and that's all people that hear, right? You're looking for some type of information behind it. And the information that you're hearing when you type in XRP and why it's falling, or any type of negativity, you're going to get the negative videos, right? Where they come up and they go, XRP is going to fail, or XRP is going to zero, or XRP is not worth anything. And they will shove this negativity down your throat. And it's okay sometimes to get a little bit of a, I wouldn't say dose of reality, but just like an understanding of the maybe some negative connotations to it, but not really a boatload of negativity that's going to tell you you should sell your position, because that's what some people are doing. And I think it's not necessarily my place to tell you um, to hold something, and I'm not going to. But typically, when people make an investment and they go through with this investment that's maybe a longer term investment, they get impatient, right? They see those gains elsewhere. You see what Bitcoin did, you see what Solana did, you see what BNB did, and you're like, okay, I need to gain something out of this, right? Because XRP is basically at the same spot that it was. So I understand your impatience, but patience is the key to becoming a wealthy person in crypto, right? I wouldn't necessarily say that everybody's going to become a millionaire, but to become wealthy, to make gains off of this play, patience is key, 100%. And I want to talk about XRP, and I want to go through a little bit of article to show you guys the struggle that we're having right now as part of the XRP community. But guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Also, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to sign up for Margex and start making money through leverage trading, feel free to do so. I know it may be a little bit tricky for you guys to invest in margin trading or leverage trading when maybe you don't have a some sort of comfortability or fondness of leverage trading. But feel free to check it out. There's always ways to practice. You can start with as little as $1 if you wanted to. It's amazing if you start to understand how to read charts. It seems like Bitcoin is kind of moving right now in a positive direction, which is great. But let's take some time to talk about XRP. XRP currently stands at 47 cents, almost 48 cents. So it's at a $26.6 billion market cap with $1 billion worth of volume. Now, today it's flat. Like, we could have predicted that. We could say throughout all history that we've seen, like the last 4 years, we can say, hey, or 3 years, we can say what's happened with XRP, and we can take a guess and say it's been flat. And honestly, it has been flat. It's been around these levels for quite some time. My original investment was around 30 cents, 37, up to 39 cents. And then, 40 cents, and obviously where it stands right now is 47 cents, almost 48. So it's been pretty consistent. It hasn't seen any type of larger jumps besides when XRP was labeled as not a security. Um, but again, as we look at this and break this down, the last 7 days, it's down 2.8%. The last month, it's down 10%. But the last year, it's down 3%. So really, we've seen this level of movement, peaks and valleys, peaks and valleys, peaks and valleys. But we have not seen the God candle, right? We haven't seen it skyrocket yet. We haven't seen a bunch of people just continue to talk about the gains that we're seeing in XRP. They've talked about the potential, I've talked about the potential. You've talked about the different things that are happening, but we have not seen the continuous videos to where people are like XRP is up another 50%, up another 100%, up 200, 300, 400%, whatever. We've seen that in things like Jasmine Coin. We've seen that in things like Solana. We've seen that in things like Bitcoin. We've seen it in Ethereum. But we just haven't seen it in certain plays, and XRP is one of those. And I know people are getting impatient, right? You have Ripple struggles under 48 cents as XRP holders realize over $30 million in losses in the past 10 days. So you have people that may just struggle with holding on to this. And I understand where you're coming from. But if you think back to any time that you may have had an investment, it was an investment that you believed in it so long, you believed in it that it was going to go to the moon, to a ridiculous price point. However, you saw the negativity and you decided to give up on that. Typically, you will see that larger struggle before you see any type of a gain. That's just how it goes, right? There's a chance that you can invest in at the bottom and then you'll see consistency and, still probably feel that pain. Like, should I sell because I'm up so much, but it hasn't moved, right? So when nothing happens, it's always a what have you done for me lately type of situation. What have you done for me lately? And since XRP hasn't done anything for anybody lately, it's a struggle. So holders are getting rid of their holdings. As for me, I'm buying more. Now, the reason why I'm buying more is because I believe in XRP wholeheartedly and I have other investments. I can make other investments, but other people that put a lot of money into it, a lot more than what they, could afford overall, it's a high percentage. They may go, okay, well, maybe I should kind of share the wealth a little bit. Maybe I should push this to another play that potentially has a larger gain, right? I've had people that said, I moved everything from XRP to Jasmine Coin because you talk about Jasmine Coin a lot. It's like, I'm never telling anybody to move from one position to the other. But if you decide to do it, it's part of your strategy, it's part of what you want to do. But I don't want to make it seem like I'm telling you to move from XRP to Jasmine Coin, and then when XRP retraces a little bit, or Jasmine Coin retraces a little bit, and XRP ends up skyrocketing, it's somehow my fault for talking about Jasmine Coin as well as XRP. So I want you guys to understand, and the whole purpose of this video is the fact that patience is key. In this market, I'm not saying that you have to hold on to it forever. Do what you want to do, but if you find yourself not being patient with the investments and you are consistently losing money, you have to contribute that to the fact that you're impatient. And then be a little bit more patient, and you'll realize that things will change for you. Whether you're impatient for XRP, impatient for Shiba Inu, impatient for Dogecoin, or whatever, impatience will get you nothing. Be patient and you will find the right thing. You will see those investments. You will see those gains. So let me know what you think about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Comment down below. I'll try to clean up the comments. I try to do it, but they just keep coming back with different things, different type of scams and all that stuff. I apologize. I will try and clean it. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link from Margex, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.